Hello fellow humans, I am Akshita Lakshkar and I welcome you all to my channel Brain Blooms. So today we have Aradhya.
Hello, I'm a first year student in LSR College. I am pursuing a combination of economics and computer science, economics major and computer minor, and I am here to help you out with your BST board exam one day prior to your exam. And it's also because I scored 99% in my BST board, and in my CUET BST paper I scored 200 on 200.
That's great.
Today is the last day, prep day before your exam actually happens. A few tips that I would like to give is that since BST is a very rote learning and memorization heavy subject, and ऐसे बहुत सारे pointers होते हैं ना, features of planning, features of directing, this that, then you have importance benefits. I would suggest कि आप एक paper पे हर topic के जो points हैं वो लिख लो. Like importance of planning, importance of directing, importance of controlling, features of this, and then remember कि आपको वो सारे point wise याद है कि नहीं, because a lot of times what students do is because it's so much they get confused between the points, and if you remember the points very well, I mean the headings, तो उसके अंदर का content भी chances are that you will connect the dots and आपको याद आ जाएगा. So that is one thing I did before my exam, and try to just go through the important topics. So जैसे Henry Fayol's principles were there in chapter 2, वो usually हर exam में आता है. That is important. So BSc has two books, right? One is on business finance and the other one is on principles of management. So I personally enjoyed the green book better, which is on finance. तो उससे मैंने start करा था. Started out with marketing because I think that has the highest weightage in terms of marks, and उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा content. तो अगर आपने वो चैप्टर बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से कर रखा है, then I would suggest picking it first, otherwise keep it for the last. And it has like a lot of subheadings. It has packaging, labeling, pillars of marketing, pricing, all of that. Pricing is very important. Factors affecting pricing and the philosophy behind pricing. उसमें है if you want to become a market share leader, you want to sell good quality products. That was one question जो कि बहुत सारे PYQs में आया था. So that chapter is important. Then we go on to financial planning. Financial management. That is also important. You have investment, dividend decision, financing decision. उसके भी आप points याद कर ले. And that is a very logical chapter, I feel. So if you feel like you are better at logic as compared to rote learning, then I think that would be the book you would capitalize on in terms of marks. And then coming over to the blue book, that is very memorization heavy, and that उसके हर chapters में you have importance of management, importance of planning, controlling, directing, then you have features ऐसे करके. So I would suggest कि आप paper में वो सारे headings लिख लें, because a lot of times because the headings are so similar and there are so many, a lot of students get confused between that. तो अगर आपको हेडिंग याद हो गई तो चांसेस आर दैट उसके बीच ऊपर अंदर का जो कंटेंट है वो आपको याद आ ही जाएगा. और अगर थोड़ा बहुत इवन इफ यू कैन कनेक्ट द डॉट्स एंड राइट इट इन योर ओन लैंग्वेज, यू विल स्टिल गेट मार्क्स फॉर इट. BST is not a very tough subject. It's a very time consuming one. So what I did was I revised again and again and again. एक बार ही मैंने रट्टा लगा के I kept reading all the chapters. Since today is the last day and सारे chapters वापस पढ़ने का time नहीं होगा, do brush over it. Do brush over the important topics like जो आपके प्री बोर्ड्स या बोर्ड्स में आए हैं या फिर जो PYQs में आ चुके हैं काफी बार. जैसे वो चैप्टर है डायरेक्टिंग, उसमें there is a lot of incentive. There is a whole topic on incentives. There is monetary incentives. There is non-monetary incentives. ये सारे जो कि repeatedly हर साल की PYQs में आते हैं. Apart from that, I think you're good to go. You've done your preparation. You've studied well. हो जाएगा. Don't take tension. Be calm. I would suggest कि जैसे कुछ chapters relatively छोटे हैं, like controlling is quite a small chapter compared to others. So you can start with those chapters first and probably build up your pace. अभी तो it's only time to revise right now और कुछ करने का ज़्यादा time है नहीं. But if you wrote learn, अगर आपको दिमाग में याद है, then you will be good to go. The BSc paper last year was very easy. This year also I think it's going to be really easy. And do वो numerical है एक chapter में I think फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट में ही है. फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट में जो ROI का न्यूमेरिकल है, दैट इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. गो थ्रू इट. इट वाजंट देयर ड्यूरिंग माय टाइम, बट मेरे से पिछले साल में दैट केम एज अ PYQ फॉर आई थिंक 4 or 5 marks. So do that. Brush over the important topics. Read the case studies. Case-based questions is where you can bank on, because mostly answer question में ही छुपा होता है. तो आप question ढंग से पढ़ोगे, आपको आंसर खुद ही समझ आता है. That is really important. Be present. That is all there is to it. BST is not going to be a tough paper at all. Now, under organizing, I think कुछ चीजें बहुत important है, which is the formal and informal of structure. Then there is decentralization, delegation. Decentralization and delegation के बीच में difference काफी papers में आ चुका है. It's a really important topic. Don't miss that. And then you have authority, etc. So organizing, I think, is a really important chapter to study. Then you have staffing. There are staffing में again you have different interview methods, aptitude test, वो पूरा staffing का process. Staffing process I think is really important, and it's not that hard to learn. So if you read through it, I think you'll be good to go again. Then directing में Maslow's hierarchy of needs is really important. Financial, non-financial incentives is really important. वो सब revise कर लेना अच्छे से. Controlling is again a really simple chapter. उसमें 2-3 चीजें ही हैं, आराम से हो जाएगा. You'll be very good to go. I think if you done your preparation well, if you learned the 2 books well, I think you'll be really good to go. PYQ वगैरह is a very good thing to do. However, on the last day before your exam, I would not suggest that you do it. You may go through important questions, but PYQ पूरा solve करने मत बैठना. I don't think it will be very fruitful. MCQs का ध्यान रखना. MCQs come for 20 marks, I think, and MCQs usually it's either a make or some students love it, some students don't like it, but usually MCQs give you a chance to score, increase your score, because इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा memorization का नहीं होता. It's really about being present in the moment and trying to connect the dots and applying logic to the question, and you'll be good to go, I think. Read the question paper thoroughly. Case studies are a really good way to bank on. Internal choice आता है काफी सारे questions में, where you will be given a chance to see which question you can do better. So that way I think it should be you all set. Don't worry. Don't take stress. अच्छे से सोना, have your breakfast. Enjoy. All the best.
All the best, everyone, and thank you so much, Aradhya, for sharing all the insights. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any queries, please do comment.